Today's day 4/20/2023. The non-thunderstorm windstorm in Oklahoma picked up my front porch roof, the canopy, and it moved it that much. It picked it up and lifted it and moved it over that much. That's one post. Here's the other post where it slid the post over about an inch, knocked the gravel out of the way, and then the wind set it back down. It was gusting 60 to 80 mile an hour for 30 minutes to an hour, and then 40 to 50 mile an hour for the whole rest of the night, and picked up my porch roof. Yeah, that's the canopy that it lifted up off the ground. Look how hazy the sky is from all the dust that storm stirred up last night. Look how hazy that is. Windstorm from April 19th, 2023 from Oklahoma. Yeah, and so far I've heard of 2 dead in this state from tornadoes already. I don't think we had any tornadoes, but we had like hurricane force wind gusts. I mean, lifted that canopy and moved it that much. I'm gonna have to fix that today.